Artificial intelligence refers to simulation of human intelligence in machine and programmed to think like human and mimic the actions of human being. Another part of artificial intelligence is the trait associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. A subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning. Machine learning refers to the concepts that computer programs can automatically learn from and adapt to new data without being assisted by humans. When most people hear the term artificial intelligence, the first thing that they usually think is robots, because many people see big budget films and novel that demonstrate the artificial intelligence in robot. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute the tasks. The goal of artificial intelligence include mimicking human cognitive ability. Some believe that innovators may soon be able to develop machine or systems that exceed the capacity of human to learn or reason out any subject, but many other people remain skeptical about that. There are two types of artificial intelligence. I mean that artificial intelligence can be divided into two different categories: weak artificial intelligence and strong artificial intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence embodies a system designed to carry out only one particular job. Weak artificial intelligence include video games such as chess or personal assistant such as, for example, Amazon's Alexa or Apple Siri's. You can ask the assistant a question and it answer it for you. For example, you can ask a question from Amazon Alexa and it answer it. Strong artificial intelligence systems are systems that carry out tasks considered to be human-like. For example, they are programmed to handle situations in which they may be required to problem solving without having a person intervene. If we can give some example of a strong artificial intelligence like self-driving cars or in hospital operating rooms. The advantages of artificial intelligence applications are enormous. But I try to mention some advantages of artificial intelligence. The first advantage is reduction in human error. By using artificial intelligence, we can decrease the human error. And the next thing is the take risk instead of humans. This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can overcome many risky limitations of human to developing an artificial robot, which in turn can do risky things. For example, let it be going to Mars or explore the deepest part of the ocean or mining for coal or etc. And then next advantages, they are available 24/7. Instead, an average human being can work 4 or 6 hours a day, but a computer or an artificial intelligence system can work 24/7. And also an artificial intelligence system can help us in repetitive jobs. And also some companies, big companies, use artificial intelligence as digital assistant to interact with users and save need for human resources. The next thing is faster decision. By using artificial intelligence, we can take decision faster. They can take decision faster than human being and carry out actions quicker. And also, another advantage is that using artificial intelligence as daily applications. For example, we use it as Apple Siri or Windows Cortana. We use it frequently every day for searching location, take selfies, make phone call, etc. And also we use artificial intelligence as new inventions. For example, it can help a human being to solve major complex problem. For example, recently doctor used artificial intelligence to predict some cancers like breast cancers. In the end, I must mention the dark side or disadvantages of artificial intelligence, as everything have bright side and dark side. Artificial intelligence also has some disadvantages. The first thing is the high cost of creation of artificial intelligence. The machines always need repairing, maintenance, and it needs plenty of costs. And also, some people think that using artificial intelligence may make human being lazy. And also, another disadvantages is spreading on unemployment by using artificial intelligence. It may cause a spreading of unemployment for human being. The other things is that the artificial intelligence machines has no emotions and it may cause some difficulty. Thank you.